Hello everyone, it's me, ATMProps&Cosplay, here back with a brand new video. Today's video is a LightSpeed Rescue video. Yes, LightSpeed Rescue buckle, sculpted, molded, casted, so I can make a bunch more if I need to. The buckle, and then I've also done the boot cuffs and normal cuffs that have the little logo on them as well, like I can show. So there it is, a LightSpeed Rescue / GoGoV video on boot cuffs, the normal cuffs, and the buckle for a future project that will be coming soon. Hopefully I'll get around to it this year. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and like, share, subscribe. I'll be back with more Power Ranger videos and cosplay videos. And it's LightSpeed Rescue. Actually, more or less, it'll be. That's the hint. Hope you enjoy. Bang!